everyone, it's Giro Shen coming back to you from Emily, and I have just finished the portal to an antiquarian swamp realm, and I stepped through the portal. So last time I talked about maybe doing this, getting some additional green. I don't really need the green too much, but I do need the spinach that I want to pick up. Spinach is a really good stuff for making food. And so we're going to go and play around in here for a little bit today and see what we can find. It looks like it's almost dark. Either that or it's almost morning. So I am going to make a little home away from home while we're here. Just a little shelter, I think. Maybe we'll make it out of wood. A lot of times in the swamp I like to make it out of rock, but I'm not seeing a lot of rock. There's some spinach. We're getting nighttime spawn. At least it sounded like nighttime spawn. Oh, you are a son of a bitch, aren't you? Yeah, well, I am a little bit advanced. Maybe we'll make it a mixture of both. Oh, I got a hippo. Come on. Yeah, I would not mess with me too much, yeah? Come on now. Gonna pick that up while I get some spinach and maybe some rock. Where you at? Here. Hold this. Don't be dark. I'll keep that for now. I can see how much I'm getting. I don't know, I'm not picking up, there's some. I want to kind of stay close to this starting point. Well, looking, there is a place where I can play a minor card. I can't remember what they're called right now. But here is the starting point. Let's put down a foundation. Let's put it down right here. Just gonna make a 2x2. Actually, I'm going to get rid of that one. And just put a stairway there. Where's my... Right there, and then we'll do that. That should get it all. No? I need some more stone. That should be about enough stone, I believe. Oh, come on, I didn't get enough for both. Got 3 pieces there. Three pieces there. Let's put up a door. Put up some windows. Let's see, I need, there it is. We'll put this one, where am I standing? Put that one there, and there. And then we'll put some walls. And we'll put a roof. We want a peaked roof. And a peaked roof. And a corner roof. Hipped. Not hipped. Yeah, hipped. B. Did I make that one? There it is. And that's up. And we need a door. And then I need a fire. Just a cheapo fire. Put it right there, and it'll support the whole house. Need sticks. 3. I need a bed. Oh, I put my frickin' wick away, didn't I? Did I pick up a wick? No. Well, that'll work, maybe. We'll try it. Add some wood and some sticks. Close the door. No, not yet. Turn out now, we'll sleep till morning. Have a meal. Let's see, turn off the Alright. We did the sleep till morning thing. Now let's get us some spinach. Alright, what do we have nearby? We have a... What's over there? That looks like ore. But we have... There's my shack. There's the thing I came in on. And here is... a miner card site. And I have a miner card. Blood red sky? I don't think so. We'll make it springtime. Get rid of the blood red sky. Let's see what we got close by. We got a Bastille of Insight, a portal, a couple infestations, an infestation and a bunker entrance. That's a good one. Infestation and a bunker. That's where we're going. Oh, come on. I guess I did not have my weapon loaded. And those count as prey meat, which is awesome as all get out, because I love tier 2 prey meat. I'm looking to see if I see any of the special trees and stuff, and I'm not spotting any close by. Pull that back out. We're going to end up with a whole bunch of hay because, you know, it's just where it all grows together. So, well, there's special trees and special stuff here. Look at that big, nice big area. I'm going to chop some trees. And I like to chop towards the center. Supposedly makes it easier for them to pick it up, but they always take forever anyway, so we'll just chop towards the center anyway. And we don't know where she is regardless, so here's some tree. Have some of that, have some of that, have some of that. It'll be good for now. All right, now, where'd that bunker go? Behind me. No, that's a Roman transmitter. Bunker entrance right there. Still kind of to the right. Okay. I know I'm kind of fixated on the spinach, but that was really the reason I wanted us. Come on. This particular swamp, because that's where they come from, swamp. And like I said, they are actually really good. If I can get a couple hundred, it would be awesome. I'm going to circle around this side. I'm hoping I'm going the wrong way. Come on, come get some. Keep going around. And I am literally circling this for a reason. And that reason is all these plants that we're picking up. And here is one of the inns. The one I actually prefer. Come on, get up there. Why it's not letting me climb with my picks, I don't know. It's going to be a good time to have my grenade satchel with me. Nice. And there is no portal into a mini realm, so we'll have to be satisfied with all of this. That's okay because we got a synchronous lotus, and that's always awesome. All right, get that one. Do you see a tower yet? I would go do the tower if they have them still. I don't know if they do or not. I would think they would. What is that? Bastille of Might. Well, we just go north-ish. In case you guys don't know, one of the things you can do is you can take the green essence and turn it into the white essence, and you can take the blue and turn it into green, etc. So you can downgrade your essence, and I'm not going to actually do it, but I'll show you real quick. You just go in and extract, then that drops it in. So I took 60, I don't know, I don't remember how much it was, 76 I think, and turned into like, 1900. That where's the other ones? Oh, there's one. Oh, freaking harpies. Water pigs. I killed 2 harpies. They usually come in 3s. That always worries me. Now, where's my partner? There she is. Oh. And there's the 3rd one. Tier 2 harpies, they're pretty good too. They make their skin makes great armor, and their sinew makes great thread, so they can be very, very helpful to have the parts. And there is the other one. Sometimes there are 4, and this time there are 6, 5. Six. There are 2 groups. Holy cow. Get some kind of oil. Oh, we'll get some trees too. This is called the Titania's Crown. It's new. It used to be tier 2 swamp fibers, what they used to call it, and now they have a name for some of this, and they have actual icons and stuff that are, well, the icons for the picked product is not, different, but the growing product is different. Come on. Don't make me take the root. Alright, some good stuff so far. It's not bad at all. But I have a feeling we might be getting kind of full. Look around and find some more stuff. I like those, the stuff that I can collect that's unique to the area, because swamp I don't know if it's still the same or not, but it used to be pretty good for ranged weaponry, and I am real big on ranged weaponry, so I always came to the swamp to do my collecting. And I kind of like the swamps. They're a good biome. They're a little tougher than the other biomes, but I just liked them. I just liked them. They're challenging, and they have a lot going for them. I really like them. I'm almost out of food again. I'm not out of having any, but out of my fed condition. Where are you? Let's give you some stuff, shall we? I want to give you that. I want to give you that. And give you that. I think we're going to go home. PDQ. Yeah, 4% range damage on harpy hide, and then the harpy meat gives you 4% range damage, so you can turn that into fiber, animal fiber, which then can be used as threads to make cloth with, so you can use it in your armor. Did I miss? I did not miss. we got here? Zinc. Tin. Oh, sorry, a little sneeze there. Sorry to do that in your ear. This is the slightly non-normal stone that you can use for things that you might want to use, like weapons and other things that you need some stone for, that can give you some stats. Not very much stat, but some stats better than no stat, right? Where are we here? We are way over to the west. Okay, so let's head for south then. Oh, there's a baby hippo. Lost without his parental units. Did I bring a fishing rod? I do not think so. Nope. What else we got going on here? Oh, there's some deer. They're bowcocks or something like that, but they're basically the dinosaur deer. What do we got? Yeah, you're a little late there, babe. But there was like 4 of them, so, and they're pretty weak. They hit hard. I'm not seeing any. Wait, maybe those are some. They changed, yeah, there's some. They changed the way the leaves look. These green bulbs on top were never there, and note, and in a twisty trunk. So, we'll do this grove and then we'll jam. Go get the stuff. get everything? Nope, you never do. Oh, I found another growth. Look at right there. How about that? Oh, this is a big one too. This could have some next level trees. I doubt it, but it could. So in the old days, the difference between the trees was just coloration. And these all look to be the same color, which would indicate to me they're probably all tier true. That's all the trees. And I got 110 of the. That's tier 2. It's all tier 2. I didn't get any tier 3. It's unusual from the old days, but you know, I can say what they changed or why they changed it or any of that. So it's raining. I'm gonna head back. And go to my map and then travel to respite. And keep wandering while we do it. Here's a little something something. Oh, look at that. There's some boycotts. 1 dead, 2 dead, 3 dead, 4 dead. Alright, let's see. If one of them is the boss mob, then I get some good color out of them if I make something. We've got a teleport before the people came and got me. How about that? A lot of prey meat that go around. I'll try and cook a meal so you can see the difference between the formulas. We've got about 20 minutes left, so we should be good. All right, so let's try. What have I currently got here? I've got shiitake and barberry gazpacho, and I don't really have, did I make a stew? I think I just made, I just made the predator, the broth. Let's see what we can make for us from a stew perspective. Now the broth we made, we had some predator broth. So predator is going to give us the maximum as far as hit points go. So you can see our maximum health went up to 120. If I take that out, the base design is 100 and by 30 with a stamina regen of half. So we're going to add in the predator broth. If we did the prey broth, we would get plus 5 stamina and plus 10 regen, or plus 40 regen for health, and plus 2 regen for the stamina, plus an additional 10% environmental resistance. So from environmental poison or environmental effects, fire, etc., they would do 10% less damage. If we use a predator, we still have the environmental resistance because I believe that's coming from our bones or maybe our sunflower, but it gives us a higher maximum health. We still get the 30 stamina, 40 health regen, 2.5 on the stamina regen, so that's a pretty good one. Now we're going to add edible plants. What I've been using is blueberries, which you can see gives us an extra 10 points of stamina and an extra 20 points of, or maybe 20 points of stamina and 30 points of health regen. If I use the spinach, I get 35 and 25, so I get a little more health and a little less stamina. But so, and then if I use tomatoes, you can see I get an additional 20 health and 50 extra regen, but no stamina. Sunflowers give me really nothing. Mushrooms give me 10 health and some extra regeneration. Regular mushrooms is 10 health and half of regeneration. You know, so you can look at these, and over on the right it'll tell you what they give and what your end result is going to be. So the Cape aloe gives you 40 extra regeneration, which is pretty good. It also gives you some fire resistance and some maleficium. So those are pretty okay. Spinach again is 35-25 health stamina. Blueberries, which I usually use for most everything, is 20-30. The barberries are 10-15, so you can see they're a little less. Dahlia is 40% or 40 health regen, and Delphinia is 50 health regen with the extra 2 stamina regen. So we're going to go ahead and use blueberries, and that's why I scammed so much when I was there. So now we're at 120 health and 40 stamina. We've got 70 health regen, so that's pretty good. If we go to tier 2 prey meat, well, tier 2 bug gets me more health regen, which is not bad. It's an extra 20 points of health regen, and that's actually pretty good. That means you get back, you know, how fast you get back your health. But your tier 2 predator gives you 20 health, making you 140 on your health, an extra 5 hunger mitigation, and so basically what you're picking up is the extra 20 health. It tells you down to bottom attribute bonuses. And then prey is going to give you, this is tier 2 prey, it's going to give you 10 stamina, popping your stamina to 50, which is what I like for this particular meal, so we're going to do that. And I can make up to 52. I don't need to make that much. So we're going to make 30 and get that rolling. I already have plenty of gazpacho. What else might I need? One of the 3 I'm going to use. It's going to be gazpacho and stew. And I need one other thing. What am I currently using? I'm using pot pies. The pot pies require dough, and I have 2 dough. So let's see, do I have any wheat? I don't think I have any wheat. Let's see what I can make as far as dough goes. Refined flour. I have 37 wheat, and I do have enough to regrow a group, so I'm going to go ahead and use those 30 because it's 10 grain per dough, or per flour. So we get 3 flour out of it, and we have an oat flour, so we don't have any flour to go with it. So we're going to make some dough. And to make some dough, take some flour. We're going to take the wheat and some oil. We're going to take the 2, how much wheat do I have? I have 3, so whatever it is I want 3 of, so I'm going to go with sunflower. I'm going to do all 3. I might have to make 2 different types here. If I look, I've got 2 wheat dough, which was made just with this wheat, and this counts as wheat sunflower. I don't know how I made it. That must have been a drop. Well, let's see. So we're going to make pot pie. We're going to start with dough. We're going to start with the 4 wheat dough. And then we're going to add, I think, is that tier 2 bug? Do I have tier 2 bug? I don't have tier 2 bug. I have monarch. Oh yeah, I do. Tier 2 bug with the dough and the sunflower. And that's going to get us 100 health and 15 stamina. Now if I change the meat, what will I get? Well, if I go to predator, I go to 110 and less health regen. If I go to prey, I'll go to 100 by 25 with less health regen. So I think we're going to go with the big health regen on this one. And it'll still give us 100 health, 15 additional stamina, but 110 health regen and 5 stamina regen, which is really kind of good. We're just going to max that out for 8 chooks. And while we're looking at it, we'll see what we can do with the other dough. And we're going to go back to bug again. And we only really have 1 spice that we're using. You can see this is a 115-19, so I think we're 5 points less stamina. No, we're the same stamina. I don't know what we're different, but we'll see. It is what it is. This is probably the best way to go with it. I'll have 2 stacks of food in my bag, which I don't like. I like having 1 stack of food for one of my 3. So, looking at my consumables tab, I'm not consuming raw meat, not consuming raw vegetables, so I've got 2 open tabs. I've got 1, I put all that meat in the same place. Looks like it might have. 18 pot pies bug. Sweet, so that's actually pretty good. So then we're going to put away the meat and stuff that we have. I am experiencing some lag, so I should probably call it right here before I get dropped or something, and I'll put stuff away and get ready for next time. But in the meantime, hey, be excellent to one another, and peace out. We'll talk to you later.